Got going on today, bro?
So apparently take one was too dry, so this is take two.
It was really dry, guys. I'll show y'all a little bit of that. I'll put a little bit of that footage on.
So Lewis wanted me more enthused, so bam, backrest made out of fiberglass, 100% strong, very light. Me, I'm working on the shifter. This is what I came up with that day at the shop. Which,
Right,
I wasn't gonna get shamed again. Come on, guys. So I made sure to record a little bit of that, just a little bit.
You got a little.
So, like I said, this is going to go right here, right behind the steering wheel. There's going to be a little shaft that comes up and basically grabs onto this. And this is going to be where you pull the paddles. I don't have the paddles yet, but just imagine them right there.
Great
boom, 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 boom.
I can see it
back
already.
and forth. And we will be using a transmission shift cable, courtesy of Auto Care USA. All the scraps we end up using for this, like this rack and pinion. But yeah, so hopefully today goes as planned, and as soon as we're done with this, we'll call it a good for this week. See what else we got for next week.
See what else we got for the next one.
So Gilbert's finalizing his little shifter knob here.
Too dry.
Too dry. I'm gonna be going putting the brackets for the seat right here, and basically just bolting the seat down to where it stays still, don't move. And then we get some leather on it. Gilbert forgot the damn sewing machine. And not only that, but he also forgot the...
That's because I'm working on that one project that we're not going to mention just yet.
I also forgot the rich Corinthian leather, but we're not going to... You know what? We're just going to work with what we got today.
Okay.
And hopefully we get something done.
We've got the welder and goggles and all that extra stuff. And that's all that matters, Lewis.
That's all that matters.
So my next door neighbor moved out, right? And she's got a whole bunch of... trash right here over on the curb, and me and Lewis were wondering, we need to figure out a tripod stand setup, and lo and behold, Lewis finds a lamp and manages to make it a tripod. So that holds the phone on there, and we basically have infinite amount of adjustment for the camera. Lewis, what kind of crack are you on, Lewis? What kind of crack are you on?
Here,
So I'm gonna put this back on our tripod and keep on working.
right, guys. So basically, we already got the shifter, the shift cable in place, but we're gonna need U-bolts for this deal right here. So
Kinda
it's gonna go to
hold it in place.
hardware store tomorrow. It's not really in, but it's kind of in place. This is basically what we're gonna be doing.
Dude, I wonder if we can move your little stand with them together. All right, guys.
Of course you can.
You know?
Follow me, camera guy.
Look at this, dude.
See double
If
angle.
only you could see what's going on behind the scenes.
Hey, dude, I know what's going on behind the scenes. It's just madness.
It's pretty cool. Look, I can even look at
Yeah,
that,
so
dude.
one of them falls. I'd be careful with the other one because the other one's tiny. I don't really care about mine.
Oh, you forgot. Yeah, I forgot about that.
Mine hangs on pretty good.
Really?
Well, the case is really good, so when it falls, nothing happens to it.
Cool.
Anyway,
You guys are here.
come here, Gilbert. Let's show them what we're going on. All right, guys. So we basically got this wire right here, running around the rack and pinion and everything, and right down here. And we basically got it set up to where we can push or pull. See, it's actually kind of working with me a little bit. It's not gonna work with me all the way.
No, we need the mounts already, the little
Right.
U-bolts. So basically, show them the little butterfly mechanism. I'm not sure where it went. Oh, it's over there by the... So that's the bolt where that bracket mounts
For our little
There you
paddle
go.
shifters,
So
it's gonna go with the bolt right there. Bam.
they move side to side.
And then we'll have this
That's going to grab onto
grab on down here in our banana shifter clips or whatever. So pulls it and it shifts it over to first. Every time you pull it, it'll downshift. No, that's upshift, right?
yeah, we're going to make it to where the right side is upshift. Just like you would in any car.
Yeah. Awesome. So you pull it, upshift, and then push it this way. You're gonna in turn push this cable down. It's gonna be a downshift. So
Sorry if the footage sucks a little bit. I'm still getting used to our
tripod.
tripod.
No big deal, bro.
This thing is awesome, dude.
It's
Wait, I'm gonna
real
get you dual
expensive.
angle.
Real expensive machinery.
Whoa.
Dual camera? Yeah, be careful with that. So both cameras to get different angles.
Yep, there you go.
Well, he's just basically gonna grind this down over here too. To basically make it a lot thicker like this one. We want to make it at least that thick so we can basically put a U-bolt in it, bolt it down to somewhere around here.
Yeah,
So
I'll
he's
make a
got-
bracket for it.
Make a bracket for it. He's got to go to the hardware store tomorrow and
It's
get
gonna
that
be
done.
tomorrow though because it is 8:30 at night and
We're supposed to be
we're supposed to be done by 9. So that's our
trying to
that's
get
our
pretty
curfew.
close. I'm about to finalize
Lewis, I think your stand is broken.
the bracket. You broke my stand. I'm about to finalize the bracket for the seats, and then we're gonna go from there. Basically, try and get the seat bolted down today. At least we got the butterfly mechanism bolted down today, and we got a way that the cable's gonna route. So hopefully making headway.
Hopefully by tomorrow we will have this thing shifting like it's supposed to.
Yeah.
So right now I'm gonna finish bending this bracket forward so the banana paddles are closer to your fingers. And Lewis is gonna try to finish making the seat mounts, and then hopefully by tomorrow we have a part that we can sit in and shift. Stuff will be the exhaust. I'm still trying to get a hold of an exhaust because it comes with a special flange, so I really don't want to make it. So I'd rather just wait and see if I can find one. But
We have a CNC machine, yo. I don't know what I mean.
I actually do have a plastic cutter.
Oh yeah, you did. When are we doing the leather, Gilbert?
What?
When are we doing the leather for our Recaro
I'm
seat over here?
actually running clinical trials at the shop.
Clinical trial. Well, guys, looks like we're running out so
Defeat.
out of time. Defeated by time. Brackets are done. They're just not welded. So I mean, does that count? Does that count? Does that count? No.
Definitely. That's a winner in my book.
You got the shifter deal on there.
Like we said, we need to go to the hardware store tomorrow. That's kind of what stopped me. And time.
I have no excuse. I was helping Gilbert on that. You were. So, basically I drilled the holes tomorrow then.
We need to be more organized.
And hopefully bolt the seat down tomorrow. Gilbert's gonna get the stuff, the U-bolts tomorrow. And might be shifting tomorrow. Should we
Shifting
bring
and sitting.
Sitting and shifting. We might be sitting and shifting.
Shifting.
You can't. It's double
I
edged.
know.
It doesn't work.